Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security section. Following that, scroll down again, click on Privacy and App Encryption, and tap on Password Options. Then select the best login method for your apps: alphanumeric password, 4-digit password, or pattern. Now you need to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, answer those two security questions. And if you don't like any of them, just click on the chosen one and pick one of those by clicking on it. Remember to answer it correctly below. If you don't like any of them, scroll all the way down in Questions list, tap on Custom, and type in wherever you wish to. Then hit OK, answer below, and tap on Done. You can do that to Question 1 and Question 2. Finally, tap on App Encryption, click on App Lock Time, and select one of those options. In my case, when the screen is locked or app is closed. Last but not least, click on one of those switches next to one of your apps that you wish to lock, like Booking.com. So when I do that, go back and try to open Booking app. As you can see, pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from any of your apps, access the same settings, enter your privacy password, and click on App Encryption. Then select the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!